Okay, I'm going to show my new graver sharpeners jigs. So here's the old one, which that's the 45 degree one. So you set the extension of the graver out here, and then you've got the wheels on the side, and you just work it backwards and forwards on the diamond hone to get the angle that you need. And on the heels of the thing, there's another little jig here, which similarly lets you set the amount that sticks out and put the heels on the put one heel on there, and then turn it over and put the other heel on. So those are the two old jigs. Now what I've done is to redesign. Well, I've gone away from making them out of metal because it takes just too long. It really takes hours to make those things, which is, I mean, because I'm not doing it in a production way, I have to do it all by hand. So I've 3D printed them. They're on a metal axle, so that they're fine. And I've made that one so that it actually automatically comes up at 45 degrees, and you can take this jig, which has got little steps on it, and put the end of the front of the graver of the front of the jig on these steps, and then push the graver down until it touches the jig, and then you can fine tune the angle that you're putting on it. So having got it sticking out, I mean, it's designed for 45 degrees at 0.5 millimeter sticking out. You can then sharpen that at 45 degrees. And if you use this jig, you can sharpen it at slightly less than 45 degrees and then touch it up by moving to the next lowest angle. So you can put the angle up a little teeny bit and just take the tip off it. So it saves quite a lot of time. And then I made another one which does the same sort of thing for the heels. So that does 15 degrees. So those two are set at 45 and 15 degrees. And then I've also made another one which is a reproduction of the of my old standard one. Which just works the same. You just adjust the amount that it sticks out, and then it's upside down, and there you go. So that's exactly the same. The difference is that I've actually, on this one, I've made the bit that holds the graver is an insert, and so actually I can make new inserts very easily to take different shaped gravers. So if you've got a 70 degree instead of a 90 degree graver, then I can easily make another insert. If you've got a 110 degree graver instead of a 90 degree graver, I can make an insert for that. Or if you're using a knife edge or something, then I can make an insert for that. So that's a sort of general purpose. That's my new general purpose one. And I've got a smaller version of the general purpose one for very worn, in case you need to sharpen up very worn jigs. So those are those two. Yep. So we've got a 45 degree and a 15 degree and a general purpose one. So that's the new jigs. And there's the general purpose one. And I might get round to making a general purpose one for the 15 degrees as well. But 45, 15 and general purpose. And the plate to set the 45 and 15 on. That's it.